The light emitted by high-intensity discharge car headlights are very effective in activating the reflective paints of road markers, thereby making driving at night safer. And maybe we have no error. So let's just think about this a little bit. What's the subject here? Well, the subject here is the light emitted by high-intensity discharge car headlights. Now, is this a singular subject or a plural subject? Well, we're really just talking about the light. We're talking about the light, and then they tell us what type of light. The light emitted by high-intensity discharge car headlights. So the light is clearly singular. When you read the entire subject, you might get a little confused because it ends when you're talking about emitted by high-intensity discharge car headlights, and you see that headlights, your brain might be thinking, oh, maybe this is plural. But remember, we're really talking about the light, and this whole part that I'm underlying in green is really just describing the light that we're talking about. So the subject is really a singular subject. So the verb that goes with it also needs to be singular. But if we look at underline part A right over here, are is not the singular version of is. It's the plural version. So this right over here is plural. It should be singular. And to really test why this sounds strange or why this doesn't make sense is, ignore this green part right over here and just test it out that way. If I just said the light are very effective, that makes no sense. I have a singular verb with a singular subject with a plural verb. So this has to be a singular verb. It has to match the subject. This is much better. The light is singular subject, singular verb. The light is very effective. So the error is in part A. This are should be an is.